Welcome to the step-by-step guide for first-time homebuyers, your ultimate guide. Here, we will walk through the essential steps you'll need to take on your journey to homeownership. Let's dive into the step 1, assessing your financial situation. Your first action should be to thoroughly evaluate your financial health. Start by checking your credit score. Many banks and credit card companies offer this for free. This will give you an idea of your creditworthiness, which lenders will use to determine your mortgage terms. Next, calculate your income. Include all your revenue sources, such as your full-time job, part-time gigs, other income, or dividends from investments. Then, subtract your debts and regular expenses. This calculation will give you a clear idea of how much of your income you can comfortably devote to a mortgage payment. Remember, buying a home isn't just about the house price. There are also additional costs to consider. These include closing costs, usually about 2 to 5% of the home purchase price, annual property taxes, and home insurance premiums. These expenses can add up, so be sure to factor them into your budget. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage before you commence house hunting, so you have a clear idea of your budget and can show sellers your seriousness about purchasing. Connect with multiple lenders and evaluate the terms offered. A mortgage broker can help you select the mortgage solution that aligns with your requirements, the interest rates, fees, and the flexibility of payment schedules. Consider factors like how long you plan to stay in your home and your current financial situation. Choosing the best lender is not only about finding the lowest rates, it's also about finding a lender who offers great customer service and who is responsive and transparent. Step 3. Finding the right real estate agent. Your search for a home can be an exciting journey when led by the right real estate agent. Find an agent with a good track record who understands the local market and your needs. A good agent will assist you in finding the right property, negotiating the best price, and guiding you through the legalities of the home buying process. Step 4. Let's dive straight into the fun part, hunting for your dream home. Firstly, you need to make a list of your needs and wants. Jot down everything you desire in your dream home, be it the number of bedrooms, a spacious kitchen, or a backyard. Don't forget to prioritize the necessities over the luxuries. Next, start your search online. Zillow and Realtor.com are good resources. Set your search criteria. Consider important factors like the property's location, the surrounding neighborhood, the quality of schools in the vicinity, and the potential future resale value. Don't only look at pre-owned homes. New constructions may be great options. Sometimes builders offer great prices and incentives. Your dream home is a significant investment. Do your research and the right home will find its way to you. Upon identifying your dream home, make an offer. You and your agent will define an initial price, typically based on the property's worth and what you're comfortable spending. This will involve negotiating terms with the seller to reach an agreement that is fair to both parties. Your agent will help you evaluate comparable properties, recent sales, and other market trends to ensure you're making an informed decision. Once your offer is accepted, the closing process begins. It comprises of a thorough home inspection to ascertain the condition of the home, an appraisal to validate your loan amount against the home's value, and finalizing your mortgage, which involves reviewing and signing all necessary documents to close the deal. Every home buying journey is as unique as the individual embarking on it. It's an exciting adventure filled with anticipation, but also potential pitfalls. Understanding the market, knowing your financial limits, and having a defined set of priorities are all crucial parts of this prep work. Having the right team by your side, real estate agents, mortgage advisors, and other professionals, can make a world of difference. They can help you navigate the complex process, ease your concerns, and ultimately make your home buying journey smoother and finally get you to your dream home. Let's turn your dream of owning a home into a living reality.